Dear adventurers, welcome to another exciting topic on numeracy. Today we're going to be looking at the conversion of denary to binary. Remember the last class we looked at the conversion of binary to denary. So today we're looking at the other one. So first of all, we write down our 21. Remember what we did in the last class? That we wrote denary numbers starting from double 1, which gives us 2, double 2, which gives us 4, double 4, which gives us 8, and double 8, which gives us 16. Now double 16 will give us 32, but we're not going to write that because 21 is less than 32, so we'll be stopping at 16. So now we're going to introduce our smiley face and crying face. So we're going to attach the smiley faces to numbers that when they're summed up, they give us 21 in total. Yes, if you sum up 16 plus 4 plus 1, it gives you 21. But if you sum up 16 plus 8, it is greater than 21. So that's how it goes. So now we're going to put the crying smiley on the numbers that do not sum up or sum up with other numbers to give us a total of 21. Yes, a crying smiley. So what we're going to do, we're going to, combine our crying smiley and our happy smiley. So it's going to give us an idea. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace each denary numbers that has the smiley faces attached to them with 1. So let's go. So we write 1 starting from the bottom, which is 16 is replaced by 1, 8 is replaced by 0 because it wasn't added, then 4 is replaced by 1, then 2 is replaced by 0 because it wasn't added, and finally 1 is replaced by 1. So our answer is 10101. Okay, so now let's look at the second example. So we're converting 56 to binary. So remember the step, or rather the process. Write down denary numbers starting from 1. Okay, let's go. 1. So when we write down 1, double 1 gives us what? 2. Great job. Now we move next to the next denary number, which is what? 4. Yes, because double 2 gives us 4. Next, double 4 gives us 8. Next, double 8 gives us 16. Next, double 16 gives us 32. So we'll be stopping here because double of 32 gives us 64, which exceeds the number 56. So remember the process. We attach smiley faces to the numbers when summed up that gives us 56. So 32 plus 16 plus 8 will give us a total of 56. So the remaining numbers, which are 4, 2 and 1, would have the cry smiley attached to them. So remember the rule. Starting from the bottom, we write our answers now. So from the bottom, which is 32, 16, 8 will be replaced by 1, and the remaining numbers 4, 2, 1 will be replaced by 0. That's when we get an idea when bringing the smiley face and the cry face together. So what's our answer? Good, we have 1. Good. Next, we also have another 1. Remember, 32 will be replaced by 1, 16 by 1, 8 by 1. Then the remaining numbers that were not summed up that have the cry faces attached to them will be replaced with 0. So 4 will be replaced with 0, 2 will be replaced with 0, and 1 will be replaced with 0. So I hope you had fun having these lessons. For further questions, drop it down in the comment section, or better still, you have the opportunity to book a private lesson with Virtual Scholars Academy. Until next time, see you soon.